So next stage, because I selected the transaction for logistics, I need to send someone out in the yard to pick it. So for that, I'm going to need my iPad. So I'm just going to join this call on my iPad and then miraculously try and get Microsoft to talk to Apple. It's not always easy. Okay. So the transport planning side of it. So this control center dealt with all of the orders coming inbound, all of the pickup requests coming inbound. We also have a transport queue as well. So we have two tabs available under logistics. So one's a picking. So this is all of the things which are currently being picked or in the process of being dispatched. And then we have a truck routing dashboard as well, where you can drag and drop documents up to trucks, or you can just route it through. So if you've only got one or two people that tend to do the work in the yard, we can set up auto logistics. So as soon as you save the contract, it automatically applies the picking task to someone and sends it to them on their iPad, which is the bit I'm going to show you now. So I actually have auto logistics turned on. So my excavator here, this is the line that's blue. It's automatically create a logistics document number. There's my contract number, logistics document number. This is what it is, and it's assigned it. It's assigned it to my iPad. So